Hey, what's up guys? Tobin here from the 5M Family Farm and Outdoors channel. Today we're going to be going to the flea market. We need to get some, we want to get some more chickens. Specifically my wife wants to get some more chickens. So there's a flea market about 45 minutes from our house. But first we got to go down and let the chickens out. My wife Shanna let them out yesterday morning, and our Rooster River spurred her pretty bad. So she gave me the duty of letting him out this morning. So we're gonna go down there and see if he treats us the same way. So let's go see. Skylar's still looking for that cat. Skylar. Skylar. Let's go let the chickens out. Come on. Hey guys, I got a question for y'all. Those of y'all that let your chickens free range, how do you keep them out of areas that you don't want them in? We've had chickens for a long time now, but they always tend to congregate in areas that you don't want them to be, and they crap there, and in the summertime it attracts flies. So like right here, for instance, we go through that gate right there a bunch, and I don't know why, but the chickens tend to congregate right here and poop everywhere. So y'all let me know what y'all do to avoid that. Really want to keep them away from the house, but still let them be able to free range. So chickens are awake. We got a little feed in there, enough for today. We'll top those off maybe this evening. Morning everybody. Y'all ready to come out? See if River, see how he acts towards us. Not acting too aggressive. Are you, River? Are you? I don't know if Mom's telling the truth. He didn't act like he wanted to attack anybody. One thing I always do, at least once a week when we let the chickens out, is just walk the perimeter of the coop and then the pen around the coop, and just make sure you don't see any evidence of anything trying to get in. You know, every now and then we'll have a raccoon or a possum or something show up trying to get in, so try to stay on top of that and get them trapped if we have to. So sounds like one of them's over there laying an egg already. What are you doing in there? Don't tell me y'all are laying eggs in my kayak. Are you kidding me? Look at that. I'm glad I was out here. There's 4 eggs in there. See them? Golly. Guess I better get them out of there. I wonder where else they're laying eggs at. Are you kidding me? Look. The other kayak has eggs in it. Yeah. Okay, well here's question 2. Like I said, we've had chickens forever, and we always had this problem with them laying eggs where you don't want them to. Is there any way to force them to lay in the coop? I mean, I guess those kayaks are actually kind of, you know, a perfect nesting box. I guess they're hanging here on the wall. They can get up in them. They're kind of protected. But busted one of them. Alright guys, I'm back in the house, so let's tell her the news. So Sarah cleaned the coop yesterday, right?
Right.
She got all the eggs out of the coop, right?
Supposed to.
So where did those eggs come from?
Are they hiding them again? Are they hiding them again? Where were they?
They were in our kayaks.
Oh no.
And that's only part of them. I broke a couple getting them out, and there were a couple that were already in there broke. And the only reason I heard, like, one of them was in there clucking like, and
in the kayak.
I let her out, and she went straight to the kayak and started laying. And there's mud and junk all up and down the kayaks where they've been getting up there and inside of them, and there's
which hen got in there? Is it the one that's going broody?
Well, yeah.
It is?
I think so. It was one of the red sexlings.
Yeah.
So.
Well, the black tail on the...
I don't remember. Here, let's watch the video.
Okay.